Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up in Line. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. Then you can see Login and Sign Up. So if you already have an account, you can just click on Login. Or else if you don't have your account yet, you can see the Sign Up option. Go ahead and click on it. The next thing you want to do is choose your country. After you have chosen your country, just go ahead and click on Continue with Google. So if you don't have a Google account yet, you must make one because in order for you to use Line, you must have a Google account. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google and you can select your Google account which you use. After you select it, click on Continue. Wait for a while and Google will verify your request. Now, what you need to do is write down your name. After you write down your name, you can see the photo or camera icon. Just go ahead and click on it and click on Select Photo. After you do this, click on Allow All and give Line to access photos and videos on this device. Go ahead and select the photo which describes you. After you do so, click Next. Then click Done once again and click Next, which is over here. So after you click Next, what you need to do is create a password for yourself. Go ahead and create a password which is written over here. It must match all of these criteria. So go ahead and re-enter the password. Make sure that both of the password which you set are correct and match with each other. Go ahead and click on Next after you write down a reliable password for yourself. Wait for a while and you can see that your account has now been created. You can now start talking to your friends, send videos, photos, messages easily. So you can see now the notification option is being shown. Just go ahead and click on Open Settings and click on Allow. So you can see now that Line allows for the notifications to be shown. Go ahead and click on Allow once again. And now you can see the optimization battery settings will be done. You can now call your friends, message them, send videos, photos, and whatnot using a single app. I hope this video about how you can sign up in Line was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.